Welcome to EQ Everywhere, a transformational tool to improve collaboration and communication throughout your organization for the realities and challenges of remote work. Informed collaboration with emotional intelligence guarantees improved performance for individuals and teams. To get started, employees can take the 12-minute self-assessment measuring behaviors, motivators, and work energizers. These results and tips will be accessible from the cloud 24/7 through all of your company's communication and collaboration tools, as well as for meetings. This is ever more important in a remote or hybrid work reality, whereby many employees don't meet in person and understanding becomes more of a challenge. First, let's look at the Google Chrome extension. When an employee goes into Gmail, they can get tips for understanding how to improve communication with coworkers when writing an email or when going into Google Calendar. They can click on a meeting to see the personalities of meeting attendees and the culture of the meeting and how to best collaborate and communicate in the meeting. For instance, 90% of the people in this meeting are creative, with only one person who is structure-oriented, which is good to know depending on the purpose of the meeting and to get better collaboration. Next, let's look at the EQ Everywhere Outlook plugin. In a similar fashion to Gmail, employees can start using the plugin when sending an email. While drafting an email, select the talent profile icon to view tips on communicating, influencing and motivating, and learning and teaching styles. For instance, the tool shows that Juan does his homework and appreciates the same from others. So maybe one sends a prep note prior to the meeting for input to Juan. EQ Everywhere also offers a meeting culture view, where you can see the similarities and differences either by a people chart or a bubble chart. The Motivators and Ideals tabs work the same way. Here, under the Ideals tab, you can see that Humantelligence values new solutions. We've also integrated to work in collaboration tools like Slack. In Slack, hit \HT _profile followed by the @ symbol of who you're looking for. This will then pull up all the insights on how to communicate and collaborate best with that person, even if you have never met them. To get started, go to www.humantelligence.com/EQ Everywhere.
Welcome to the first culture measurement and visualization platform for CEOs and team leaders. This team's culture is displayed with the pictures representing each member's primary strengths and characteristics across the three areas measured: behaviors, motivators, and work styles. Humantelligence can quickly measure culture within 1 week. Reveal the top 5 out of 20 persona archetypes for a team, a division, or a company of any size. In essence, see the prevalent culture of a company. For example, this company is dominated by Mavericks at 74% intensity, with 20 to 30% of employees also leaning strongly towards being helpers and creatives to help balance out the Mavericks. A CEO would want to know there are not many harmonizers or results drivers, which could explain execution issues and friction between divisions. Click here to quickly see powerful culture insights in each cultural lens, displaying the strengths, weaknesses, and blind spots for the organization. Culturescape is another visualization tool for CEOs and leaders. Learn the organizational identity of the entire company with this view, whether there are 50, 5,000, or 20,000 employees. In this case, the primary identity is change agent. You can drill down and see how the tool arrives at this result. This organization is driven by employees that are mostly systematic on one axis and creative on the other. The secondary identity in this example is market disruptor. This highlights the key insight that this organization is composed of bleeding-edge innovators who embrace new ideas. They're consultants that leverage industry expertise to solve a variety of challenges. These culture visualization tools deliver what CEOs need to know about their culture to align their organization to their goals. All of this within 1 week and with no consultants. Welcome to Culture as a Service.
Humantelligence, the power of people made simple. Welcome to the Humantelligence product demo series. In this module, you will learn about the TalentFit for Recruiting product, which leverages the culture analytics data to compare candidates with the team culture and ensure you hire for fit with the team culture, which drives predictive performance, engagement, and longevity. The TalentFit for Recruiting module allows you to use artificial intelligence to find candidates with the best fit with each manager, the team, and high performers. You begin by measuring your team culture and thus establishing a benchmark for the hiring manager of the team and high performers. Once the benchmark is established, you use the platform to assess the applicants. You select the top 50 people out of 500 resumes and send them a self-assessment, 12-minute test which can be taken on any device, and instead of spending all the time shown in the red box, 3 months and 50+ hours, doing phone screens and video screens, which are all subjective, you just go straight to your final 5 candidates that closely align with your team culture, and then you interview them. Select the TalentFit module here to go in and look at a role. For instance, for the Chief Technology Officer, you can see in the applicant tracking system the status of where the candidates are in the system as they apply, and in the application process, the system ranks each person by 4 fit factors: fit with the ideal profile, fit with the team culture or the group or company culture, fit with the manager, and fit with high performance. So in this case, you get the example here of these fit factors. You can put in compensation and scores for resume manually, but the system automatically lets you sort people by who's the right fit with the manager or with the high performers. In this case, this first person is a great fit with the manager and with the group, but they do not move forward in the process in the applicant tracking system, and the company does not move forward with them because they are not a good fit with the ideal profile or the current high performers in that role, and you can compare them with that profile. That is how this platform can be used to avoid the subjectivity of hiring, and only hire people like yourself, and actually hiring people who, like in this case, the person was not a great fit with the manager, but was a great fit with the team and with the ideal profile. Thank you for watching the TalentFit for Recruiting product video. Be sure to watch each product video to experience all components of the Humantelligence platform.